everybody, and welcome. I'm Ben.
And I'm Max.
And together, we are the Brothers! So, today, we are going to show you two little kinds of Ozobots that you might not know about. So, here's the first one. His name is Evo. His actual name's Evo, but on the iPad. We're going to show you that in a minute after we do this. So, and this is regular Ozobot. I could show you his app. And okay, so I'll show you the apps.
All right. Well, hold on. Let's explain what we're doing. So today we're gonna go through, and Max is gonna show you in a few minutes here how to set it up and stuff with the iPad. But basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna build an Ozobot city, and we're gonna take you along with us on this journey, right, buddy?
Yeah, we're gonna take you along on this journey.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. Team Brothers!
Team Brothers! Yay!
Yay! All right, so let's get started. So now we're gonna show you how to connect them before we take our journey downstairs. So we go to Evo app. This is for Mr. Smiley here. You can see him. Bluetooth. So I have to take my Bluetooth. And go into Bluetooth, and now turn on my Evo, and see that searching thing is searching for my Evo, and see that's my Evo nearby. If it has to connect. See, he's all green. That means he's charged. And go into settings. You can tell him to calibrate. And if he blinks red or green, that means he's calibrated or not. Red means he isn't. Green means he is. And see, if I hit disconnect, it will disconnect him. And see, I have to turn it back on. So it's searching him again. And I could actually add friends.
Oh, there's Sid.
And Evo likes going on Sid. And driving on him.
I'm pretty sure Evo doesn't like driving on Sid, you goof.
He does.
All right. You want to get downstairs then and get making our city?
Let's get making. So we'll see you downstairs for our journey. Okay, now we have the pieces of the tape taped on the back. Now we can go to Evo app and we could use codes and use these markers to direct the Ozobots to do some cool moves, a lot of cool moves and a lot of stuff. So let's get working. We drew our town and now it's time to test.
So which one you got there, Max?
This is regular.
The regular Ozobot?
Yes. And I have to put him on it.
Nope, you're putting Eva down too. Alright, Max, so tell me what the codes mean. Talk about what a couple of the codes do.
Some of the codes mean that this one that Evo's going over is pause. And then he's going up, and he stops at an intersection, then he turns right or left, and then and see he's going down, and then if I put my hand, he stops. If I hold it too long, he's gonna turn around. See, watch.
Wow.
And now I want him to turn back.
He's not turning. There he goes.
He
Cool.
makes cool sounds too.
Oh.
Thank you for watching our Ozobot movie. So we hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching The Brothers. And we will see you next time on our brother adventure. I think we might go on another adventure too, and we would take you with you. And I think that could be like a couple of months or so, in the summer or some. Maybe in the summer we would do that. Oh, well, indeed, we would love you to meet us again. So, thank you for watching our video. And we hope you had a good time. I'm watching.
What are you smiling for? What are you doing?
Waiting for a picture.
There is no picture, goofball.